Hey everybody, welcome back to Mama Z's Texas Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you the end product of the fermentation we started a couple of weekends ago on what's on the plate. So let's get started on today's video. Okay, in case you missed it, a couple of Saturdays ago I did a fermenting what's on the plate with Mama Z. I will link that here. You never know which side to push. But, so you can go back and see the process of this, but today we are going to be opening up the salsa. Now, first thing that I have come to realize is that I've got to put a lot more stuff in these jars because it did sink down and it's pretty low. I haven't opened these up yet. So, see if I can get, I'm gonna have to pour some of this brine out. It looks clear. There doesn't look to be anything funky on top, which is a good thing. Oh, it smells good. That has a great smell to it. Okay, we'll pour these. I'm gonna strain them. I'm gonna try to do both jars in one batch. And we'll see when we get it in here. You don't want to throw your way out at this point because you may very well need it to blend your stuff. Come open this. My hands are wet. Can you open it? I'm going to have to get a little assistance here from old Papa Z. My hands are a little wet. There we go. All right. Thank you. Again, there's some floaty, but there's nothing funky on top of the water, no mold, anything like that. So I'm really kind of happy with that. I am going to pull this lime out. It smells so good. Wow. All right, I'll put this in the blender too. Okay. I'm going to pour some of this brine over here. I'm going to filter it one more time. Ah, dang it. I just made a huge mess. Okay, I'm going to pour just a little bit, just a tiny, tiny bit of this brine back in there. We'll see as we go how much we need. Let's give this a pulse. Anyway, all right. Turn this on. Now at this point, it's all about what consistency you want. I'm going to try it right here. We're going to give it a little taste, see where we're at. That is really good. Spicy, but really good. The lime that I fermented in it, man, that just gave it a great extra flavor. So we're gonna can this up, put it in the refrigerator, and we're gonna enjoy this. This would be good on Taco Tuesday, which it is Tuesday today. Maybe we'll do tacos tonight. Anyway, thank y'all so much for joining us today. I hope you got something out of this video and you enjoy it and you will give fermenting a try. I will link the set that I use in the description below. Please go check it out. But this is really good. I am really impressed with this salsa. Okay, thank you for joining us today on Mama Z's Texas Kitchen. Hey, right here, I'll go ahead and put that card for that fermenting class that I did on what's on the plate. If you don't know what's on the plate, it's a Saturday show. I do it at 9:30 every Saturday morning Central Time. We'll see you guys there.